With Hiram Cologne, you're never alone. By your side from the start to the close, making big moves with Rovi Homes. All right, so I'm here with Ricky Martinez. What makes the Gentleman's Aroma Lounge so special?
We love to embody what family brings, and family brings unity. It brings helping each other out.
What are some of the things that you do here, as far as events?
At Gentleman's Aroma, we're a little different. We celebrate birthdays. We acknowledge accomplishments. We treat you as family. We'll have trips outside of just here to spread the love that we share here.
The events that you guys hold here are phenomenal, and it brings in a good crowd.
It certainly does. We're huge on bring your family. Gentleman's Aroma, the speakeasy of Wethersfield. And why do we say that? We say that because it's a gem off a beaten path.
What are the different types of cigars that you carry here at the Gentleman's Aroma?
We're very heavy on Arturo Fuente. It's a cigar that's really sought after. If you don't smoke, then I'll start you off with something very mild and potentially with some flavor, some coffee flavor, some strawberry.
I know one of my first go-tos was the café con leche.
Oh man, that's a good one, yes.
How do you maintain this humidor?
We have an apparatus that puts out humidity, and we try to keep it between 67 and 72.
What are some of the things that you guys do in regards to giving back?
Well, we collect food, and that comes through our membership. It also comes through the social, and we go out and we do groceries, and then we bring it over to the food bank. No kid or no one should go to sleep hungry, and for that reason, one of our driving forces is that we have to give back and make sure that people are fed.
And I'm just grateful to be a part of Rovi Homes, but I'm also grateful to be a part of this brotherhood here.
This company and what it's willing to do for the people, and obviously you and your heart and what you're willing to do for the people. Home run.
That's why one of their things is, one of their slogans is, it's beyond real estate. It's making a difference.
That ties it right up.